Hi to my neighbours, Dave and Judy. Stephen, great to see you. Sarah, Kathleen. Yeah, I'm a little bit, tonight is a funny one. It's, I'll sort of play a little bit more slow stuff. Jimmy, great to see you. Linda. Yeah, I'll play a few different things tonight, just to try and be different. Another lovely guitar, Jonathan. Yeah, this is another one. Let's see. Howdy, great to see you, Poddy. Connor, great to see you. For Richard and Rebecca in Rochester. It's raining here all day as well. Then we had a little break for 2 hours. Great to see you. I hope you're all having a good and safe weekend. Goodness me, guys, what strange, bizarre times we are in. I'm trying to get the request. Sam in Belgium, Neil Gow's Lament. I will do my very best, Sam. Let's see, Neil Gow. Yeah. That's a beautiful tune. In fact, Sam, that was written not that far from here, where I'm sitting in Perthshire. Yeah, let's play Neil Gow's. Let's play this. We'll play this for Sam and his dad over in Belgium. Close your eyes and hey, Phil. This is a beautiful tune. Great friend, a friend of mine and an amazing fiddle player, Paul Anderson from Aberdeenshire. He's from Tarland, and he's an absolute master fiddle player. And Paul would know the history of all these tunes, and I'll play. Yes, I'm going to play my sister. It's my sister's birthday today. My sister Kate, or Coit. If you're from Donegal, you'd say Coit. C-A-I-T. Keys Quarantine. Yeah. Okay, so for Sam in Belgium, and then I'll play my sister a tune. I won't take any messages when I'm playing this because I'm going to try and really get into this, get into the vibe. Do this a good job. So see you in a second. I think tonight, or how a lot of us are feeling. It's been a tough old day actually today. I don't know why, but play this for Margaret and Lewis as well. Special play for Edey McCormack. That was a tune written by the amazing fiddle player Neil Gow, who resided in Perthshire. I think he was from Perthshire as well. I think he lived in Dunkeld. Well, a lot of the tunes are written about Dunkeld. I played that for Sam in Belgium. Sorry guys not to get to all your lovely messages. I'm gonna sort of, tonight's a funny one. I don't know if anyone else has had a funny day today. It's in Brittany. Eve, oh, great to see you. Eve, great to see you in Brittany. Yeah, it's been a funny old day, guys. I don't know, it's just I don't know if anyone else has. Shona, great to see you. Please say hello to your lovely husband. And oh my God, Paul was watching. I'd be very nervous, Paul Anderson. I was just saying, Shona, that Sam in Belgium requested that tune, and I was just saying that the real man that plays that tune, of course, is Paul Anderson, amazing fiddle player from the east coast of Scotland who specialises in all those tunes. And actually, Sam, you should check out Paul and Shona's show. Maybe, Shona, you might put a little link up to that. That's a wonderful time for music as well. It really is, and I often tune in. And they broadcast from Tarland, which is on the east coast, up in Aberdeenshire, beautiful part of the country of Scotland. Maybe you'll put a link up, Shona, for Sam in Belgium, because Sam would love that. So my sister Kate, there's 2 birthdays. Hi Graham, great to see you, Graham Mackay. Good evening, Andy Pig. Sorry I didn't get over to you tonight, Graham. Suzanne Donny Keys, great to see you. Sorry to miss any messages, guys. I'm gonna do. Well, do you know what I'm gonna do? I'm gonna do another tune for my sister. So it's my sister Kate's birthday today, and it's our daughter Ava's birthday tomorrow. The 24th today and the 25th tomorrow. And so I'm just going to play a tune for the 2 birthday girls. And for anybody else's birthday. I know there was one request for a birthday, and I do apologise. And so sorry, by the way, to the YouTubers. It's been... hi, Carol, and hi, John. This is a tune I wrote. I played this for my sister Kate. And for Ava, our daughter. My sister Kate it's her birthday today. Are you 26 today, Kate? I can't remember. I think you might be. Let's see. Somebody from the corner of my eye, I might have seen somebody asked about this guitar again. And this is another Edey Model 1. This is kind of going through the testing period, because 2 of them have gone to happy owners. I believe the 2 lovely ladies that got the first 2 guitars, first one and the first 2 are really, really happy. But I play these for a number of hours, and the reason for that is because I just like to know everything about them, I suppose. I like to know their temperament, and I think it's kind of important. So this one will be a lovely sounder, and great thanks a million, Anne. Alistair Cassidy, great to see you, sir. Yeah, this is a tune. This is a tune that I composed on a cruise liner many years ago. I believe I was working for a company called the Irish Folk Ballet Company, and we had the most amazing time, amazing memories. Actually, we were based in Stockholm, Sweden, and in Finland, in Helsinki. Hi, Drew, great to see you, Drew Harris, great to see you. This is one of the tunes that I wrote on one of those evenings. There was a great fiddle player, great friend of mine from Manchester called Jerry Diver. And Jerry is a huge part of the sort of London Irish scene. He's a great fiddle player and producer. In fact, he's an amazing guitar player. And he's married to a lovely singer called Lisa Knapp. But he hadn't met Lisa at that point. And me and Jerry were out there with another great fiddle player called Edey Sullivan, who's a great friend of ours from Cork City. And I wrote this tune, I think it was a year after, when those two had gone back, and a great fiddle player from England came out called Jane Clark. She lives in Copenhagen now. She's an amazing fiddle player, great woman. She's from Kent, from County Kent. a Kundai Kenti, as Begley says. So here we go. It's a Celtic Thunder. This was recorded by the great Session A9 up in Scotland. Little bit of accompaniment. Yes, you did, Kate. I'm afraid my button accordion is unwell, very unwell. It's completely knackered, and you can see the proof of it there. And I'm awaiting another one from Sauterelle, who are very kindly helping me out with a replacement model for this. I've been working with Sauterelle for, oh God, about 25 years with my great friends from the music room in Cleckheaton, who are sadly no more. But John Turner, of course, the great John, is still going, and he has a partnership now with a great accordion player from Glasgow called Alan Shute. So I'll put the box down. I probably won't play too much box tonight because of it is completely knackered. So let's see what's on the menu next. Do you know what I'm gonna do? I'll play a little. I hope you're all having a great weekend. And a safe weekend, and especially big shout out to everybody in Wales. My brother is in Wales, and his girlfriend Kelly, and I know they're having a tough time in Wales. They're under complete lockdown, which is interesting. If you interesting time, guys, interesting time. I won't get into politics or lockdown. Slow reels, yeah. Sam, you've made some good choices tonight. Let's see. Do you know what I'll do? Yeah, I'll do play some slow reels from, let me see, I don't know what the names are, but I hope you like them. I think they're Irish. Absolutely. Here we go. couple of slow reels there for you. I'm just gonna change guitars for 1 second, and I haven't played this little guitar for a little while. It's a little baby Taylor, and she's pretty should we say hot on the eye. So 1 second, see now. I hope you, as I said, I hope you guys are all well. Sorry not to get to all your messages. Sorry not to get to all your lovely messages. My brain is a little bit fried tonight. The kids have been. I think it's fair to say the kids today have been fairly non-stop. So the brain is a little bit fried, but it's all good. But where are we now? Jesus. Yes. So sorry, just seeing why this is. Yeah. Okay. Yeah, I'll play a couple of tunes on this little Taylor for you. There's a message there. I can't. Ewan, literally listening to you on the way home. If I can hear you. Keep going. Yeah, Ewan. Thanks a million, Ewan. That's really kind of you. I haven't been asboed yet, but you never know. Rick, great to see you, Rick. Great friend of mine, old friend of mine, Rick Clark. Let's see, I'll play you a couple of tunes. I have no idea what I'm going to play for you yet, but we shall hope for the best. We shall hope for the best. Yeah, let's see. Okay. The fingers are just not working tonight. So I think I'll stick to some slow stuff tonight. It's probably what I'm best at. Let's see. Yeah, sometimes your fingers are just not. Yeah, the fingers just don't work. And tonight's one of those days or night, and I think, and also I'm using a slightly different system here. It's quite bassy on the guitar, so apologies for that. It was a little burst of a reel for you. Do you know, Paul, I won't play that. I'm so sorry. I would, but I think after hearing the boys play it last night, was it, or the night before, I just definitely, yeah, I'll leave it to those guys. But I'll play something else for you. Great to see you, Paul. That was a lovely gig, wasn't it, from Mayo? Slow stuff is always good. Diane, great to see you. Do you know what I'll play, guys? I'll play a little piece. This is a song which many of you will probably know. Francis, great to see you. Judy, yeah. Judy's an amazing whistle player. That's more like it. Guys, sing along. I love this song. Whoa! I told you my fingers tonight are just not working. From Barry Norman. We had a request there from Judy Knight. She's a great friend of mine in Kent. She's a great whistle player. Judy is a lovely lady, and her son William, the Bonnie Light Horseman. Oh goodness, Sam. Oh Bonnie, oh Bonnie. I might be able to do that. Let me see if I can. I've never sang it. Yeah, I've never sang it, but let's see what. Yeah, I might be. Roseanne McKenzie, great to see you. I'm so sorry to miss some of your messages, guys. Somebody asked for. Thanks, Paul. Thanks a million. Somebody asked for the Downfall of Paris. I do know that. I just have to remember how it goes. Desi. Oh my God! I'm gonna play. Do you know? I'm gonna play a tune for Desi. I got me and Desi Donnelly, probably one of my favourite fiddle players in the world, is actually watching. That's incredible. Desi, so great to see you. The lark in the clear air. Da da dum da da dum da dum. Yeah. Do you know what I'm gonna do? I'm gonna do a medley of the first one I do for Francis in Wicklow, in Hollywood, County Wicklow. Not the other Hollywood. This is the real Hollywood. And Francis is a great buddy of one of the amazing men who's one of the original chieftains, Mr. Kevin Kneff. And Kevin and Francis are great buddies of mine. And Kevin's one of my favourite ever singers. And this is yes, he's watching, Sam. He is indeed watching, which is incredible, isn't it? Desi Donnelly. Desi, great to see you. Love you to bits, sir. Derek Hickey. Oh my God. This is incredible. Oh man. Yeah, so I'm going to play this for Desi. For Desi and for Derek, for Sam, and for Francis Tutty. And after that I'm going to go into a French tune called the Ballad Irlandaise. So take a little... Desi, great to see you. Derek Mush, great to see you. Yeah, take a little seat back, and we'll start with a nice slow air. I'm not exactly sure what part of Ireland this is from. Desi, I heard you're in Galway. That is great. Stay safe, sir, and so great to see you, Des. I have to catch up with you soon when you've got time. This little slow air for you guys. Derek Hickey is not too far away from you, Des. You boys, I'm sure, know each other. And if you don't, then Jesus, you should do. Joe McCabe, great to see you. Okay, sorry, yeah, here we go. Sorry about the slight variation here. I haven't played this for a little while. I hope this is okay. Desi and for Derek and for Francis in Wicklow. directly down to France, to Paris, for a tune which is celebrating Ireland. It's a tune called Ballad Irlandaise. I'm going to play this for a great lady in Kent, great friend of mine called Frances McFarlane. Great to see it. Great lady in Kent called Judy Knight, and I learnt this tune off a great guitar player actually from Kent in England called Peter Gazy. Here we go. tune there for Desi and Derek and Judy Knight. That's a beautiful tune called Ballad Irlandaise. And that's a tune that was written in France actually in the 1930s to sort of celebrate somebody's love of Ireland. Sorry to miss some of your lovely messages there. Bally James Duff. Come back, Paddy Riley. Karen. Sounds like it does. Yes, Karen, you're right. It does have a bit of that in it. You're absolutely right. It does. It probably is it's probably like a French version of that, perhaps. Debbie Lova, great to see you. Let's see. Great to see you. Hope you're all staying safe. Oh wow! There's some John Williams on piano. Of course, Des. Now, Desi, I've got a piece for you. Jesus. Oh my God. Let's see, Des, if I can do this. I remember one time I was with Desi. We were doing a gig. Desi of course was playing with Stockton Swing for many years, and we were doing a gig. I was depping for Steve, I think, or for somebody. I think it was Steve. I can't remember. And Desi took me to meet the great fiddle player John Sheehan, and we were in John's house. I think we stayed at John's, if I remember rightly, and we had the most amazing music night, and John had a piano in the hall, and we were playing lots of different styles, and John and Desi played that beautiful tune, that beautiful the tune, Christchurch Cathedral, I think it was called. But Desi, oh my God, I remember playing John Williams in the hall there. I'm going to try my best. Let's see. I don't know if this will be too sad. Autumn in Paris, lovely. Autumn in Paris, that's right, Sam. I'm just going to see my piano. Des, I'm going to try and get the piano now. Let's see if I can get this working. Oh my God, Des, you give me a challenge, Des. You give me a challenge. I'm going to try and do it. Let's see if I can get this. Where are we? Just setting up the piano. I've got like a MIDI. Oh Christ, where are we? Jesus. Yes, piano. Okay, I'll try. Jesus, Des, I'll try and do my best on this. Do you know? I don't know if this will be. I don't know if anybody else would. The kind of state of the world at the moment. I don't know if this is going to be too sort of. I don't know if this will be too St. Patrick's Cathedral. Des, that's a beautiful one. I'm going to try and. Des, I'm going to try and remember. I'm going to try and remember that just now. Jesus. What I might do, guys, and this is a little bit of a. This is a sort of. Sorry about the tuning. St. Patrick's Cathedral. Des, I'm going to try and remember St. Patrick's, the 70th year. That's a great tune. God, Alistair, that's a great tune. And so is St. Patrick's Cathedral. I've got to try and remember that. Oh my God. Let's see. Jurassic Park. tonight, so I'm just having to tune up this guitar a bit. St. Patrick's Cathedral. Oh my God. I have to remember it, Desi. Desi, you're gonna kill me, Desi. I have to remember. I might have to go on YouTube, on Google, and just Google. I'm gonna just give me 1 second. I'm gonna get this now. I'm gonna get this tune. I can't remember in melodies anymore. Well, maybe I'm having a Glenn Campbell moment. Let me just see. I'm just gonna see if I can get this tune in my head. Alan, oh my God, great to see you. Oh wow, from Glenfinnan. Great to see you, Alan. Oh my God, it ain't so. Oh wow. Da da. Thanks, Des. Da da dum da dum da dum da dum dum da da. Oh, now, Desi, I nearly got it there. I'm having to go on YouTube here. I found Des. I think I found it. Lord, oh Jesus, here we go. 1 sec. Sorry about this, Des. Let's see if I can do this now. I'm gonna learn it at the same time. I do know this. Sorry, I thought I knew this. I was trying to learn it from John. Desi, I'm gonna have to learn that properly. Oh my God, that's. There was a tune we used to play. That's right, Freddie. Da da dum dum da dum da da dum dum da 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 dum da dum da dum da dum da da dum dum da dum da dum dum. Yes, this is a tune I learned from Desi Donnelly. Desi, is this the one from John? Tell me if this is right. Play this for Desi and for Isabel. Sorry about the second part. Oh my God, my brain is terrible. I used to be able to play tunes. Okay. developed parts. There's apologise, Desi. That's supposed to be Autumn in Paris, and I sort of made a bit of a a bit of a ball for that, but I did my best, Desi. I promise I learned the Christchurch Cathedral. I'm just going to just quickly tune up this Yamaha, and just I won't be 1 second. I'm gonna have a little idea. How are you guys all doing? I hope you're all well. Graham, great to see you. I'm so sorry, guys, not to be reading every message tonight. I'm trying my best, of course. I'm on my own tonight. Isabel is tired. We've had a full-on old day with the two wee ones. As I'm sure lots of you have as well. Flat water friend. It's an absolute. It's very interesting. Anybody who's interested in guitars, this is my original a Yamaha guitar. I've been playing this for. This was gifted to me. This was given to me by J.P. Cormier. And it's a great guitar. Flat water Fran. Very different sound. This is quite a lot more mellow than the one I was just playing for you there, which is my own model guitar that I've sort of been importing. I've only got about 2 or 3. Well, I've got about 4 of them in total. It's a kind of new thing with COVID. You have to sort of diversify. I'm gonna do a little thing, guys. Let's have a bit of fun. I haven't done any gypsy jazz yet for you, and I think it would be nice to do a little bit of Lady Be Good, or maybe dum da da dum da 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 dum. Yeah. This was a great tune that I would have heard Stefan Grappelli playing. Yeah, let's see how we get on. along if you know the words, or play along. This with you, sir. Soon. Having a great time in West Cork. You're very, very kind. Great to see you, sir. Ewan, great to see you. Sorry for, I hope this guitar isn't keeping anybody awake in Dunning in the village. Margin, absolute honour. It's an honour to play for you guys. Well, do you know what? Before it's too late, I'm going to play a couple of tunes. I'm going to be very naughty here and put the. I've got a couple of Katie Green, Anna McGoldrick. Anna, great to see you. Hi to Anna and Mike. I bet your Mike's out playing in Manchester tonight. I don't know if the lockdown has started there. Indeed. It's an honour to be playing, guys. It really is for you guys. Oh yeah. Okay, I've got a great one for you. This is a tune. This is a tune for you guys. Oh my God. Rosie and Bob, great to see you. Caroline, Ricky, Rick Clark. Hi Anna, Jack O'Leary. So sorry guys, I didn't mean to. Hi Anna, great to see you. I'm gonna Yeah, I'm so sorry I missed some of your messages, guys. Please forgive me. You know what I'm usually really good with messages, but tonight it's a funny one. Has anybody else had a weird day today? Today's been a funny day. Poor Isabel will be she's very patient. She's the most patient woman in the world, and today has been a weird day. I tell you, I don't know what on earth it's what it is. We went for a beautiful walk. We're so lucky. We went for a walk up a mini hill in Perth. Alistair Cassidy, you'll remember Canool Hill in Perth. You'll know this, of course. Anybody from Dunning will know what I'm talking about. Beautiful hill, and we went for this beautiful walk, and I loved that. But there was just something, I don't know what, like, when your brain is just not, hi Chris, when your brain is just not, I don't know, kind of, yeah, just a mountain of sort of worrying. Oh my God, Anna. Oh my God. Please say a big hello to Mike for me. Day, week, month, life. Exactly, Alistair. Very strange day. So other people are having a weird day. It's not just me. And do you know something? Anna, great to see you. Anna and Mike and Desi are watching. This is incredible, guys. And Ellie Byrne in Ireland, and Derek Hickey, and Alistair Cassidy in Glasgow, and people in Denmark. This is maybe 5G is in the air. Maybe, Freddie. Maybe, oh, Jesus, let's not get political. Maybe... Yes, well, do you know what I'm going to do? I'm going to play you a tune, guys. I'm going to close your eyes for a second. I'm going to transport you to France, and I'm going to play you a tune which, this is it's incredible, when you, hard times, yes, yes, absolutely, Sam, I'll do that. By the way, other brands are available, guys, but, the whole world is worrying. It is indeed, Karen. This is a wonderful New Zealand cider, guys. I don't know if it's made in New Zealand. I bought this in Scotland, but it's called Old Mount Cider. Other brands are available. Full Moon, yeah, actually, yeah. Maury, you're right. I'm going to play you a tune, guys. So, this is one. I've got a little loop pedal here, and I saved my loop pedals. Went for a walk, came back feeling odd. Yeah, that's funny. I was exactly the same, Silas. Exactly the same. Let's go to France. Yeah. So I'm going to take you to France, guys, and I'm going to take you to France with a tune that I learned from a friend of a really beautiful man, and probably, well, yeah, I think it's fair to say we refer to him in the accordion world as God. He is quite literally God. Mr. Dermot Byrne from Buncrana, County Donegal, and I actually met Dermot through Desi Donnelly. I did, Des. You introduced me to Dermot. We stayed in his house. He was living at the time in Gweedore, I think, or Dunlow. He was in Dunlow, and we stayed with Dermot. We had an amazing curry with Jerry Logue. You remember, Des? And then I learnt this off Dermot Byrne, and he's become a great friend. He's one of my heroes. And this is a little tune that he recorded with a French harp player, an amazing harp player called Florian. Florian. Come on the burner, exactly. I just hope to God he's not watching this, because that would be too nerve-wracking. It's a tune called La Burlesque. Here we go. If you know it, have a little dance. Nice coffee in Paris. a great tune there that I learned from Mr. Dermot Byrne, and that's called La Burlesque, and I just oh my god, I love that tune. I really do. Sally, great to see you. Anna, thanks a million. Isn't it a great tune, guys? Isn't it just a wonderful tune? Well, seeing as we're in a sort of jazz mode now, let us do a little there's an amazing guitar player, guys, who lives not too far away from me here. Now, Desi, you've just got me. Yeah, you've got me. I'm gonna play. Des, you've got me thinking of another. Des, you got me thinking of another great tune. Hello, hello. I was just listening to that the other day. That's a great tune, Des. Oh my god. I tell you something, Desi, you'd play that tune with Dermot. I'd love to hear you playing that. That's right up your street, Des. That really is. Hello, hello. Oh my god. Let's have a little go at this. Let's have some fun. This is Connor. This is way beyond you. This is way beyond. What's that there? Connor's saying there. Get a high, way beyond you. Could you? This is way beyond you. But could you do the theme from Local Hero? I could indeed. Connor, I could, of course. I just gonna have a quick go at this one. I haven't done this one for a long time, but let's just see how this goes. Another little tune for Desi. This will bring back memories for some of you who and Rosie and Bob. Let's have another go. Hello, hello. Des, this is for you. I have it now. time. A little bit of Hello Hello. I love that tune, guys. Does anyone remember that Hello Hello, the TV series? I suppose it was in the 80s. It was a big hit show. Was it on the BBC or Granada? I can't remember. I think it was BBC. And that tune is actually, believe it or not, Desi, thank you for reminding me of that tune. I hope you don't mind me playing it. That tune was actually written by a London composer, believe it or not, and it was called London's Calling. London's Calling. I don't know why on earth it was called that, because it's very much in the style of a French musette. But isn't that such a great tune? René. Christ. Let's see now. I'm getting warmed up now, which is a good thing. That tune has a very funny chord in it, which I sometimes forget now. Lord. Do you know what I'm going to do? I'm going to take you to... another tune which is a beauty of a tune. And this is a tune that I learned from Michael, actually, from Mike. And play this for Mike and Anna and for Lillian in Sweden. I have a relative watching. Lillian's just tuned in. Lillian is near Stockholm, and that's a country, I tell you guys, which is doing pretty well actually in this coronavirus. I watched a really interesting documentary last night on Sweden's on their epidemiologists and how their kind of head guy, a guy called Anders Tegnell. He's quite an incredible man, and you know what? Well, I won't get into. It's not my place to talk about politics, but or coronavirus, because I'm a folk guitarist. I'm an accordion player. What the hell do I know about that? But Michael, I remember the gig in the band. Yes, lovely. I remember that was a great time. Well, you know, this Anders Tegnell guy is an epidemiologist in Sweden, and he was the guy who kind of, he's a bit like the UK has Neil Ferguson, who's another highly qualified guy. Now, in Sweden, my brother lives in Sweden, and my one of my relatives there is watching Lillian, and she's a great lady. Great to see you, Lillian. It's quite interesting because they didn't do a lockdown, but they did kind of do a lockdown. It's just the Swedish people do as they're told. You know, if you tell a Swedish person, don't mingle and keep, 4 meters apart, that's what they do. Unfortunately, in other parts of Europe, I'm not sure if we're very good at taking rules. Anyway, they're actually, well, it's incredible. One of the main hospitals in Stockholm hasn't had a major case of corona for I think it's like 2 or 3 months. I'm not sure. Don't quote me on that. But anyway, Mamma Mia, yeah. This is a beautiful tune, guys. I'm going to do a Liam O'Flynn tribute, and I learned the first slow air from Michael. The second one is a Phil Cunningham tune called Farewell to Govan, which Phil wrote for, I think he wrote it for a BBC documentary, but Liam recorded it. So here we go. So just a little tribute to Liam, God rest him. He was an absolute gentleman. I got to meet him twice. Once in Dingle with Begley, and once in Finland with Tom Sherlock. Here we go. Close your eyes and... Joni, yeah, Ellie, that was Morning Morgantown. That's a tune I would have kind of grown up with. My mum and dad played that most mornings on the old record player. They had all the great Joni Mitchell albums, and many mornings we would listen to Morning Morgantown. Yeah, Nick Drake. Or would you? You might play some. Some Begley polkas. Oh my God, what time is it? We could do some polkas, Sam. We could. I haven't sang any songs yet. I'm so sorry about that. I will maybe try and do a song. Let's see. Local Hero. We had a request for Local Hero. It's very interesting playing this guitar. It's a very mellow guitar. It's a beautiful guitar. It's a Yamaha, this, and the other one I have there is a different one, and they're very different sounds. Let's see. There's let's see, Begley polkas. Oh my God, tunes. Let's see if we can, let's do a couple of let's see if we can find you a couple of polkas. We can, let's do a couple of Begley and Cooney polkas. I haven't done this one tonight yet. David McDonald, great to see you. This is a set of tunes. This might be the last accordion tune I do because, of course, it's getting quite late at night here. Portugal. Oh wow! Cheers from Portugal. Great, Brian. Lovely to see you tuned in from Portugal. This is a set of classic tunes. And this is called the Strafnairn. The first one is called the Magic Slipper. These are tunes I used to play along to as a teenager. I was just obsessed. In fact, I'm still obsessed with this style of music, the sort of Begley and Cooney. And here's one. The middle one is one that Steve wrote. It's called the Strafnairn. I believe it has a bit of a Scottish inspiration, perhaps. And the last one is Johnny O'Leary's. Here we go. Hein Do. Probably wondering how I'm playing the guitar at the same time, because that is a pre-recorded guitar. I'm very naughty there. That's a bit of but you can't play Begley and Cooney tunes without the guitar inspiration. You really can't. I think what I'm going to do, guys, there's a lovely there's a beautiful tune, guys, I'd love to play for you, and it's a tune, another tune, in fact, from Ireland, and this is a tune called No Connery's. This is a boat about a boat disaster. The Morlock, oh goodness, the Morlock brings me to Kerry. Yes, absolutely. If anybody enjoyed what I played there, that is a tune. That tune is the first track of an album called Mehel, which in Irish means working together, and that's the first track of Mehel. And Mehel was one of the records that sort of taught me to play, actually. Well, I studied it for years. Yeah, let's do the Connerys. Okay, here we go. I'll take you to Connemara now for go on. Yes, thank you, Sam. I'll take you to Connemara for a beautiful slow air. And this really is one of my favourite slow airs, and another one I learned from Seamus. Actually, I learned this from Steve. Sorry. What a beautiful tune, guys! That's a tune. Ewan, thanks a million. That's a tune called "The Connerys," and that is a traditional. It's a song. It's a song from Connemara on the west of Ireland, and in fact, it's a very sad song. It's about a boat disaster. The Valley of Knockanura. Yeah, you can sing to the east a week in the Valley of 98. Yeah, let's all crash. We'll do a couple. Yeah, in fact, I haven't sang anything yet, and I crash. I don't know if I've had enough of my fruit cider yet to sing anything yet. And Isabel is. I don't know where Isabel is. She might be resting. I think she deserved she's probably having a break from me, because today I've been crashed. I've been a bit grumpy today. I'm not. I was all right I was okay in the morning, and then we went for a walk, and I don't know. It was weird. I just kept thinking about this coronavirus, and it's oh Christ, it's awful, isn't it? It's I worry about the kids. Actually, I worry about the children. We have 2 kids, and I don't know. You just worry about their future. I'm sure any parents who are watching this are feeling the same. You just don't know what on earth is going to happen, but we just have to stick in there, I suppose. Now. Let's see, Andy Pig, thank you so much. I was gonna, do you know what? I was gonna sing you a song by Johnny Cash. If I can do this, I don't know if I should. This is one of my nan used to sing us all the time. We will beat the virus. I hope so. I really hope so. That's a good point. I close my eyes. The 40 Shades. Yeah, this is a song that anybody with Irish family, when growing up in the UK, expats, so to speak, you will have certainly heard this. And I haven't sang this for ages, so I have no idea how this is going to be. But let's just give it a go. Let's give it a go. It does, Connor. It really does. It takes anxiety. Yeah, it makes anxiety. I mean, if you already had anxiety, and I've had my fair share of anxiety over the years, as we all have. Flying phobia and all that. And I think what this coronavirus actually does, guys, I think what it's going to do, and I think there's going to be a massive influx in OCD, because we're constantly thinking, oh my God, did you touch something in a shop? Did you get the coronavirus? A lot of people are thinking like that, and it's totally understandable. A friend of mine who's a psychologist is saying there's going to be far more problems with mental health than there probably will be from the physical virus. I mean, I shouldn't really say that, but it's probably true. Anyway, on a cheerful note, I'm going to try this song. I have no idea how this is going to be. I'm going to sing you a song. And you know what? Liam O'Manley of the Hot House Flowers said to me one time we were on tour with Kevin Burke, and that was one of the most very memorable tour in Ireland. We did 14 days, Music Network. Kevin Burke, of course, one of my favourite fiddle players. And he's from London town originally, but he's a Sligo man. He's a Sligo man, really. And Liam, of course, is just, an amazing singer, amazing man. And Liam said to me, he said, go on, he said, sing. And I'm not a very confident singer. And you know what? He made me realise, Liam O'Manley, if you're listening, he probably isn't listening to that. He's probably busy doing some stuff. But you know what? He made me realise that we shouldn't be self-conscious about music and about singing, and we are. And he made me realise that you've got to let go and just do something and enjoy it. And I'm going to do it now. And I have no idea how it's going to be, but you know what? We'll hope for the best. This is a song that Johnny Cash wrote in the back of a taxi going round Ireland. Oh, I close my eyes and picture the emerald of the sea. Join in if you know the words. From the fishing boats of Dingle to the shores of Donaghadee. Oh, I miss the River Shannon and the folks at Skibbereen, the moorlands and meadows, and the 40 shades of green. Join in the chorus. Little bit of a loop. miss her lips, as soft as eiderdown. Again, I want to see and do the things we've done and seen. Hello, Helen. Where the breeze is sweet of Shalimar, and there's 40 shades of green. Piano solo. Desi, this is for you. The things we've done and seen, where the breeze is sweet at Shalimar, and there's 40 shades of green. Where the breeze is sweet as Shalimar, and there's 40 shades. Play a tune for Desi on the piano. I haven't played this for a little while, so please bear with me for a second. And I'm just trying to adjust the settings on this because it's a little bit. Thanks for your patience, guys, with my singing a Johnny Cash song. Ellie Byrne, I'm gonna cherish what you said there. That's Let's see, Graham. Thanks a million. My goodness, you're very, very kind, Graham, to put that. I'm terrible with the business stuff. I of course never worry, because yeah, it's just it's an honor to play. I want to play you a tune, guys. I'll tell you what I'm going to do. I'm going to play you a tune from. Hard Times. I haven't forgotten Hard Times. Don't worry. And play a tune written by the not quite written, but a tune from Kepakeli. Mike, if you're watching, I hope you don't mind me playing this. Donald Shaw is one of my favourite musicians, one of my favourite producers. He really is. I think you could probably describe him as one of the sound guys of Scotland. He's just one of those guys, and this is a tune, guys, which it's just a beautiful tune. It's a tune that Karen Matheson sings, and the Baron. I thought it better be putting my own. Oh, Graham, I don't mind at all. This is a tune from the Hebrides, guys. Play this from Margaret Stewart and Elif McCormack. Here we go. Karen Matheson sings this, and I got to do it with her at the start of lockdown. It was just incredible. Sorry about the tuning. That's yeah, Jesus, my tuning let me down. That's a beautiful Christ, where should I put the piano? Oh my God, that's a beautiful tune, guys. It's a tune that I learned from the great Donald Shaw and Karen Matheson. Pardon me. I have another one for you here, guys. This is a lovely one. It's going to tune this guitar for you. Hard Times. Let's do Hard Times. I promised I'd do this for Sam. It's an honour to play for you guys. Been to 2 live concerts tonight. So wonderful to come home. And Suzanne in Denmark, Pedersen, great to see you. It's an absolute honour to play for you guys. Sorry about the tuning. Yeah, so this is a great tune, of course. It's written by Stephen. Oh God, was it written by? Who was the guy who wrote this? Hard Times. I can't remember. Stephen Foster. Stephen Foster, I think. Okay. Play this for Sam, and I will do Local Hero. I promise for Connor. Sorry, this guitar is driving me mad. All my guitars tonight, it's just the weather is up and down like a yo-yo. I'm going to just tune this up because it's nylon guitars, guys, are wonderful, but they react to weather a lot. It's just part of the thing. Okay, that should be a bit better. Do you know what? I'm going to swap it round. Sam, I'll do Hard Times in a second. I'm going to do this for Connor. I'm going to do a version of Going Home by Mark Knopfler, and this is I watched a video of him playing this yesterday on YouTube. It was a couple of weeks ago. He was at the what's the thing they have for racing? He was at a racetrack playing this in memory of a great racing driver, an English racing driver called Jesus. This is terrible. I have to Google this. Anyway, you'll find it if you type in Mark Knopfler, Local Hero. It's on YouTube. It's beautiful. It's just him and a piano player, keyboard player. It's stunning. Absolutely stunning. Here we go. For everybody in my home village of Dunning, and for Connor, and for Isabel. Whoa, jazz, jazz, jazz. Very good at all the old Mark Knopfler wrote that, of course. That's a little variation. I sort of hope he doesn't mind. I change it around slightly. Connor, absolute pleasure, Connor. I love that tune. Yeah, it's a pleasure playing for you guys. It always is. It's coming to that time of the night where we have to be careful here because we've neighbours downstairs, and yeah, I have to be fair to my neighbours. He's been very, very patient with the noise and stuff in this lockdown. I was thinking about family today. It's my sister's birthday. It's Ava's birthday tomorrow. Our little daughter Ava, and I was just going through photos, and I found this of my dad, Richard. He's not watching tonight because his internet's down, but that was on my old little boat we used to sail called the Achilles. It was many, many years ago. And I was just thinking about family and yeah, in this time, I mean, it'd be the same for everybody watching. You miss family when you're a long way away, and this COVID thing, it's very worrying, of course. And so yeah, I'd love to. Yeah, it's just great to. This is a great release for me, playing some music. And seeing you guys, I know we can't see each other, but I feel like I sort of connect with you a little bit with the messages. It's lovely. I'm just sorry tonight that I haven't done more connecting with the messages. Usually I'm much better. Yeah, I just, yeah, it's an honour. And I'm not very good at tonight. I haven't really mentioned it tonight because I've tried to just play some music. But if anyone wants to listen to my music further, all my records are on my website, www.timedey.com, and there's even these guitars. Well, actually, at the moment there's not any on there, but these guitars are for sale. I've been very good. I haven't mentioned it once during this gig, and I said to my dad, I said I only mention it the once, and if you're interested, please give me a private message there. I'm bringing them in, and I'm very lucky. I'm able to I've had a lot of help, but I'm sort of doing them one or two at a time, and they've been very popular so far. People seem to really like them. I mean, they sound lovely acoustic. Somebody asked me what they sound like acoustic. Well, this is what they sound like. Nice projection. And they plugged in. They're lovely. It gives you very sort of give you a lovely sort of projection plugged in with a little bit of reverb. as well, which I always love. Anyway, if you're interested, have a look at my website, and yeah, it's just it's an honour to play for you guys. So I'll maybe finish off with a couple of O'Carolan tunes. First one is one I learned from Steve Cooney. Steve recorded this recently, and he's done an amazing album. Actually, it's called Kjol and Klasa. It's like solo guitar. It's his first solo guitar album, and it's amazing. You can buy it from his website. I think it's stevecooneymusic.com, something like that. Check it out. It really is stunning. Isabel's very busy. She's making this beautiful jewellery. Her website is isabelofscotland.com. Look out for all the other music shows on Facebook. Graham Mackay does a nightly one. Enda McCabe does a Wednesday one. Desi and Mike, I hope we get a tune soon. And Alistair and everybody that's watching. And thanks a million for tuning in. That's the old sales bit over. I have been good. I never mention it during the show usually, and I didn't tonight actually. But this is lovely, guys. You're gonna love this. This is a tune that Steve taught me. My sister and for my mum. honour to play. I would play till about 2 in the morning if I was allowed. I'll be back again, of course, on Saturday. You never know when I might pop up again. Sorry I didn't get to all your messages tonight. I was a little bit slow tonight. The brain is a little bit fried, but it's an honour to play. Absolute honour for you. Thank you for choosing to spend a couple of hours with me tonight. It's an absolute honour. It really is. I really mean that. I really do. It's stay safe. Wash your hands. Other brands of cider are available. This Old Moat one is a good one. I have to say, it's a kind of it is lovely. Take good care, and so great to see so many old friends: Desi, Derek, Mike, Anna, Rick, Freddie, Rosie and Bob. Oh my God, the list is amazing. Graham, there's so many. Yeah, it's an honour. See you all really soon. Slángafoil, Ikawai, good night, take care.